Deputy Chief Minister and Bengaluru's Development Minister D.K. Shivakumar has hinted at a possible increase in monthly water charges due to financial challenges faced by the Bengaluru's water supply and sewerage board, highlighting that the water tariffs haven't been raised in 14 years. Shivakumar compared the situation to the rising cost of other essentials, questioning whether the water tariffs should also be increased. With Bengaluru's growing demand for drinking water and the financial instability of the BWSSB, an increase in water charges seems likely.
There is a lot of last 10 years, the water tariff in Bangalore has not been increased. It is suffering a great loss. We have to take new projects.
Okay.
No bank is coming forward to finance the BWSSB. I mean, especially in the last this one, we need, I think now the fifth phase is going to be completed. Already it is on this one. I think next couple of 10-15 days I am going to complete that BWSSB work. Now the water, the prices, 10 years what was power bill. 70% of the power bill is water connection is with the power bill and the labor bill. That is been going on. So every year we are having a big loss. So there is no option. I am just working out the possibilities. We are just discussing how to set it the company right. Because even the financing company, either the JICA or the World Bank, everyone is telling that you are not, you are only politicalizing your issue. You are not trying to at least make a break even. Break even for the company. This is what the officials and the various international banking finance are selling. So we want to expand it. Now I have given them 6 TMC more for Bangalore for water which was being reserved. So now we have to should take up one more stage to draw that water. So there is no option until we show them financially. It is an independent company where we have to see that they work independently.
Chief Minister Siddaramaiah assured that the government has stored enough water from the Cauvery and Kabini rivers to meet Bengaluru's needs until the end of the June. He stated there is no shortage of the funds for the drinking water, with sufficient funds being provided by the government and Bengaluru's civic body. Siddaramaiah mentioned that out of 14,000 borewells in Bengaluru, 6,900 are dry and most lakes are almost dried up. The city requires about 2,600 mld of water daily. The government plans to fill up 14 dried lakes with treated water to recharge the groundwater table and is drilling new borewells at 313 places while reviving 1,200 inactive bores. To address the immediate water shortage, the government has also registered around 1,700 private water tankers to supply water at fixed rates across the city, sourcing from the private borewells.